This is a really cool brackish water fish that we've been searching for a little bit. Brackish water fish don't always get a lot of love in the fish keeping world because they're neither fresh or salt, but there's a ton of really interesting fish that come from intertidal areas, mangrove swamps, lagoons, and regularly travel between both fresh and saltwater areas. One of those is the popular genus of monos. There is apparently another species not so often seen in the trade called the dwarf mono, Monodactylus cotyledii. They're widespread throughout the Indo-Pacific, but again, you don't normally see them imported, and a lot of times they're probably misidentified as mono argenteus, which they look a lot like. We got to digging and talked to one of our suppliers in Southeast Asia, and he was able to find us a nice little group of these guys. So they max out at about 4 inches and are tight schooling fish, not super aggressive like the monocebes, and should do well in a group in a light brackish, moderate brackish. They won't do well in full seawater like some of the other monos long term, so definitely a light to moderate brackish fish. These guys can be told apart from the more common mono argenteus by the orange, like burnt orange or dark red dorsal fin, and the fact that the anal fin is longer than the dorsal. Instead of a yellow dorsal fin, burnt orange. They're really pretty fish, definitely something unique for those consumers, those hobbyists into brackish fish and looking for something a little different.